Art in the park. Exploring the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and picturesque phrase, art in the park. This phrase is not only visually evocative but also rich in cultural and social significance. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means. Art in the park refers to the concept of displaying or creating art in a public park setting. This phrase conjures up images of artists painting in the open air, sculptures displayed among trees, or even outdoor art festivals. The key elements here are creativity, nature, and public accessibility. Art in the park events are significant for many reasons. They make art accessible to a wider audience, foster community engagement, and celebrate the beauty of nature. These events can include art exhibitions, live painting sessions, sculpture installations, and even interactive art workshops for children and adults. They emphasize the idea that art is for everyone, and natural settings can enhance the artistic experience. In everyday language, you might hear someone say, "I visited an art in the park event last weekend." This phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe any artistic activity done in a natural, outdoor setting. It's a versatile phrase that captures the essence of art being integrated into daily life. Art in the park. Events are often featured in movies, literature, and social media, showcasing how art transcends studio walls to mingle with the public. These events highlight the role of art in community building and cultural exchange. They are celebrated across the globe, from New York's Central Park to London's Hyde Park, and many other places. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, art in the park. We hope this video has not only enriched your understanding of this beautiful phrase but also inspired you to experience art in a whole new setting. Remember, language is a gateway to culture and experience. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.